This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Roxana Shepley. Barely lived in 4-bed/2 bath, split floor plan, kitchen west/island and pantry, granite counters in kitchen and baths, both baths have double vanities, coffered ceiling and fireplace in living room, mud bench upon entrance from garage for jackets, book bags etc. LVP flooring in all common areas, tile in wet areas, carpet in beds. Call quick for apt. For more information, review the details below or contact Roxana Shepley at 478-953-8595.